In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a GIF in PowerPoint. If you've ever dropped an animated GIF onto a slide and wished you could trim away the extra background or focus on a specific area, this quick walkthrough is for you. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and navigating to the slide that contains your GIF. Once you're on the right slide, click directly on the GIF to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges. This is important because the next tools only appear when the image is active. With the GIF selected, look up at the ribbon and switch to the Picture Format tab. Depending on your version, it may appear as Picture Tools, then Format. Either way, it shows up only when a picture or GIF is selected, so if you don't see it, click the GIF again. In the Picture Format tab, find the size group and choose Crop. The handles around your GIF will change from white sizing handles to black crop handles, which tells you you're in cropping mode. Now click and drag the black handles on the sides or the corners to define exactly which part of the animation you want to keep. Corners let you adjust two sides at once. Edges allow finer control. Take your time here. Zooming in can help with precision, and you can always drag the image inside the crop box to fine-tune the framing. If you notice that dragging changes the overall size instead of trimming the view, you probably clicked a regular sizing handle. Activate Crop again and use the black handles for trimming. Cropping in PowerPoint is non-destructive, so nothing outside the frame is deleted, and you can revisit the crop later without losing animation quality. When you're happy with the selection, press Enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the GIF to apply the crop. If you change your mind, you can immediately undo and try again, or re-enter crop and adjust the handles until it looks right. The crop simply hides the area outside the box. It doesn't affect the animation itself. Finally, play the slide to confirm everything works as expected. The easiest way is to start the slideshow from the current slide so you can see the GIF animate within the new cropped area. Watch for any important action getting cut off, and if you need to reveal more, exit the slideshow, select the GIF again, return to crop, and make small adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully cropped a GIF in PowerPoint, keeping the animation intact while focusing attention exactly where you want it.